Well, another day and another positive open for the equity market. So today, the rest of the globe was indicating that the vaccine rollout in the UK that really fueled optimism across the global markets, be it Wall Street or even Asia. And looks like we too are getting off on a fairly steady note. So for now, holding out around the 13,460, 470 mark. For the Sensex, firmly in the green by about 270 plus points. Great traction being witnessed within the broader universe. So the mid and the small caps are very active, and you've clearly got that breadth that's skewed in favor of the advances. Which sectors are showing you leadership? Well, by the way, all sectors are in the green, but today media takes the front seat. You've got PSU banks doing quite well. It's real estate, metals, FMCG, the finance, the nifty banks as well, but gains are restricted to about 1.5% at the max. Take you through then some of the interesting performers on the frontline index, and along listed that you've got UPL leading the front, ITC in the green at 206 thereabouts, IndusInd Bank 1.5%, SBI, Asian Paints, BPCL, ONGC, ICICI Bank. Take a look at Reliance Industries above the 2000 mark. You've got Tata Motors, Bajaj Finance as well, Finserv as well as IOC that are in the green. Ultratech loses out today. Cipla is a little bit muted. Shree Cement as well as Eicher Motors, and Maruti is absolutely flat. So you'd have to say that some of yesterday's outperformers are taking it a bit easy, so a bit of profit booking being witnessed there. To stocks then that are in focus in today's trading session, then you've got a few newsmakers. Take a look as to what's happening with something like a Pfizer, because you have the report that has come out from the US regulators saying that the first scientific evaluation shows that the vaccine is 95% effective. Something like Apollo Hospitals in focus. The Economic Times reports that Amazon is evaluating a potential investment worth $100 million in Apollo Pharmacy. You've got ICICI Bank saying that it's going to sell up to 2.2% stake in brokerage arm ICICI Securities via an OFS, the floor price for which has been fixed at about 440 rupees. JSW Steel, they've reported a growth of about 3% in their crude steel production to 13.3 lakh tons. M&M is on the brokerage radar of Macquarie as well as of Goldman Sachs, both very bullish on the stock. In fact, Goldman Sachs has a target of 799. Checking in then on some of the movers within the broader universe: Hudson Agro, Central Bank, Indian Bank, Karur Vysya, South Indian Bank, lots of traction in that pocket. Wockhards looking good, Prestige Estates, Union Bank, as well as Canara Bank and ITI. Omax loses steam, Chalet Hotels takes a breather, Lemon Tree in the red, NCC, Edelweiss, CCL, as well as Aarti Industries are some of the other drags in trade.